Cleaning gold jewelry such as chains, rings, and coins at home requires a gentle approach to prevent damage. Here's a step-by-step guide to safely clean your gold jewelry. Mild dish soap or jewelry cleaner, warm water, soft bristled toothbrush or jewelry brush, soft lint-free cloth, ammonia solution for heavily tarnished item. This one is optional. Ultrasonic jewelry cleaner for advanced cleaning. This is also optional. Step 1. Prepare cleaning solution. Fill a small bowl with warm water. Make sure it's not too hot, as extreme temperatures can damage certain gemstones or weaken the metal. Add a few drops of mild dish soap or specially formulated jewelry cleaner to the water. Alternatively, you can create a homemade cleaning solution by mixing mild dish soap with water. Step 2. Soak the jewelry. Submerge your gold jewelry pieces, whether it's chains, rings, or coins, into the cleaning solution. Let them soak for 15 to 30 minutes to loosen dirt, oils, and grime from the surface. Step 3. Brush gently. After soaking, use a soft bristled toothbrush or jewelry brush to gently scrub the jewelry. Pay close attention to intricate areas such as chain links, crevices, and engravings where dirt may accumulate. Use light pressure and gentle circular motion to remove stubborn dirt and tarnish. Avoid vigorous scrubbing, especially for delicate items like chains. Step 4. Rinse thoroughly. Once you've finished brushing, rinse the jewelry under warm running water to remove any remaining soap residue. Ensure that all parts of the jewelry are thoroughly rinsed, including chains and ring settings. Step 5. Dry carefully. Pat the clean jewelry pieces dry with a soft, lint-free cloth. Avoid using paper towels or tissues, as they can leave lint or scratches on the gold surface. If necessary, allow the jewelry to air dry for a few minutes before wearing or storing it. Step 6. Optional deep cleaning for heavily tarnished jewelry. For heavily tarnished gold jewelry, you can use an ammonia solution for deeper cleaning. Mix 1 part household ammonia with 6 parts water in a separate bowl. Soak the jewelry in the ammonia solution for no more than 1 minute, as prolonged exposure to ammonia can damage certain gemstones and metals. Follow steps 3 to 5 to rinse and dry the jewelry thoroughly after using the ammonia solution. Step 7. Optional advanced cleaning for intricate pieces. If you have access to an ultrasonic jewelry cleaner, you can use it for advanced cleaning of intricate pieces. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for operating the ultrasonic cleaner and use a suitable cleaning solution. Place the jewelry in the ultrasonic cleaner and run the cleaning cycle according to the recommended time. Here are a few tips to follow. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as they can damage the gold surface and any gemstones. If your gold jewelry contains gemstones, ensure that the cleaning solution is safe for them. Regular cleaning helps maintain the appearance and shine of gold jewelry, so consider cleaning your gold jewelry periodically. Store your cleaned gold jewelry in a soft pouch or jewelry box to prevent scratching and tarnishing between wearing. By following these steps, you can safely clean your gold jewelry at home and keep it looking its best for years to come. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.